Your relationship with money isn't fixed, it's a story you can rewrite. Let's transform how you think about abundance and prosperity starting today. This is day 10 of our 108-day Mindset Maven journey with Raise Up Nation. Many of us allow others to control our financial narrative. Parents' limiting beliefs, societal messages, and past mistakes often dictate our financial decisions. But the truth is, you have the power to take back control of your financial narrative. Your money story is shaped by repeated thoughts and experiences that create neural pathways in your brain. By recognizing patterns, challenging beliefs, and creating new pathways, you can actively replace limiting beliefs with abundance-focused alternatives. Common limiting money beliefs include scarcity, worthiness, identity, and causality beliefs. These beliefs aren't facts, they're stories that can be rewritten. Recognizing these beliefs is the first step to changing your financial mindset. Identify one limiting belief you tell yourself and replace it with an abundance truth. For example, change "I'll never be good with money because my parents weren't" to "I'm learning financial skills every day that my parents never had access to. My story is different." This scripture reminds us that transforming our financial reality begins with daily renewal of our thought patterns. By not conforming to the world's patterns, we can be transformed by renewing our minds. Napoleon Hill discovered that belief shapes achievement. Your financial success is limited only by the boundaries of your own thinking. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Begin each day with morning affirmations and end with evening reflections. Interrupt old money stories and share your journey with like-minded individuals. Consistency is key to strengthening neural pathways of abundance. What old financial belief will you replace today? Share your transformation in the comments below. Remember, your money story isn't just about finances, it's about reclaiming your power to create the life you truly desire. Join our community to continue your financial transformation. Subscribe for daily mindset and financial wisdom, comment with your new money belief, and share with someone who needs to rewrite their money story.